Welcome to Life Hacks Daily, the channel that brings you simple, practical tips to make your everyday life easier. If this is your first time here, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any useful tips. Today, we're going to explore 5 safe and natural ways to repel mice at home, no toxic chemicals, completely safe for kids and pets. Let's get started. Repel mice with peppermint essential oil. Mice strongly dislike the scent of peppermint oil. How to do it? Prepare cotton balls and peppermint essential oil. Add 5 to 10 drops of oil onto each cotton ball. Place them in cabinets, corners, and anywhere mice tend to appear. Replace every 2 to 3 days to maintain effectiveness. Use cinnamon powder or cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon has a strong, spicy scent that keeps mice away. How to do it? Sprinkle cinnamon powder along baseboards or inside kitchen cabinets. Or simply place a few cinnamon sticks in the problem area. Replace once a week to keep the scent strong. Use onions. The sharp smell of onions makes mice avoid the area. How to do it? Cut an onion in half. Place it behind the fridge, under the sink, or in any corner where mice appear. Replace every 1 to 2 days, as onions spoil quickly. Spray diluted laundry detergent. Mice dislike the mild chemical scent of laundry detergent. How to do it? Mix 1 tablespoon of detergent with 1 cup of water. Pour into a spray bottle. Spray lightly in areas where mice usually run. Reapply every 2 to 3 days. Use citrus peels, orange, lemon, or grapefruit. Citrus peels contain natural essential oils that repel mice effectively. How to do it? Save the peels after eating the fruit. Place them in kitchen corners, cabinets, or any target area. Replace every 3 to 5 days when the scent fades. These are 5 simple, safe, and highly effective ways to keep mice out of your home. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment your own tips, and subscribe to Life Hacks Daily for more helpful content every day. See you in the next video.